everything that doesn't work anymore. And Chandrit, may I take the liberty of, taking on from what Akila Jayaraman said on
Yeah.
Gen Z, on how
Yeah.
the Gen Z looks for causes, that they want to stand for something and they want to be seen as something. I feel about this, there's been so much spoken on purpose led marketing. And we're all just so carried away by this big buzzword. And Unilever made this big announcement on how all of our brands are going to move to purpose led uh, marketing. I want to say that yes, it's true. Of course, it's true that for Gen Z, like Akila of Organic India also said, it may not be weight loss or detoxifying. It might actually just be about being seen as cool because I've adopted this brand and it's a cool brand. It's not really about any functional features. Yes, but at the same time, when brands try very very hard and latch on to a purpose only because it's the right thing to do, because as a marketer it makes me look good and I might be able to stand on some stage and win some award, because I've latched on to gender equality, or I've latched on to uh, I don't know, the zillion other jaded causes, then it starts to feel very inauthentic. Because I find it absolutely, there's absolutely nothing wrong in a chewing gum wanting to simply, entertain.
Yeah.
If if a brand can just make me laugh and have no heavy duty purpose led marketing to it, no heavy duty cause advertising to it, it can just make me laugh, and I remember the brand for just that, I think they've done a stellar job. Because today it's so difficult to stand out, so if it's not about purpose led, or it's not about being seen as something only, it's just about being able to find a place in the consumer's mind with something that's appropriate, something that's believable. And if it's not linked to my functional delivery, what I deliver as a brand functionally, then it doesn't matter what high, heavy handed purpose you might pick up, it's going to fall flat.
No,
So
I
I'm,
agree with you.
Chanpreet, I'm really going to take from there because it's something so close to my heart and my brand that consciously Organic India does not have a CSR division, because to us it's
Right.
the biggest scam possible. You sell in plastic bottles and then you invest to clean the rivers. I mean, what? Because your CSR then decides, okay, let's clean rivers of plastic. Stop selling in plastic.
Right.
I mean, the so we don't believe in CSR. Our whole concept in Organic India is that CSR, you are actually a socially invested brand. You cannot have a separate division which says let's put some money into corporate social responsibilities. It has to be a corporate social initiative.
Absolutely.
It cannot be a
Absolutely.
responsibility. Nobody's holding a gun to your head. So for me, I feel so strongly about this, and therefore Organic India does glass bottles. It does not do plastic bottles. It does recycled paper cartons. It chooses to be organic and not spoil the soil or use fertilizers. So this is not brand sell, but this is something where I'm saying, marrying purpose with profit is the only way
Hmm.
businesses can solve for this.
Marry purpose with profit, and marry purpose with what your product functionally delivers. If it doesn't functionally deliver that, then there is no purpose in what you do.
Correct.
Yeah. I
Absolutely.
agree. I just want to share my experience here. As somebody who's launched media brands, right? It's more of an experience, a community. I remember my editor in chief came up to me and said, "I cannot compete with the largest publishers. Their budgets are just like 100x of mine." I said, "But you're not competing with xyz.com, you're actually serving a community. I want to see a budget which tells me who's the community that we're serving, what need are we serving for them, what role are we playing in their life, and then tell me what are the most important cultural moments in their life and what are we doing at that point." And I remember she was just staring at me. She was like, "I'm really sorry, I don't get this." I said, "Yeah, here I can help you. I can help you by explaining to you what this is." And in the process, we landed up finding our own niche. And, then brands started associating with us because we stood for something, for a community that believed in us because we were authentic to their community. And I truly believe that like Vani, what you were saying, or Akila, you've been resonating with it. Be clear about your purpose as a brand, whether you're selling a product, a service, or an experience, or just entertaining people, which is most of the time where I am, entertaining people with true honesty. And it just works out. Good journalism is good business, good entertainment is good business. But if everything starts from business, nothing really filters through.